Hi cruisers, let's check out the Mendenhall Glacier Explorer short tour in Juneau, Alaska. Exit the ship, head down the gangways to the dock, and stay on the right to get to the tour buses. Look for the Mendenhall Glacier Explorer group and board the bus when given the OK. Here's a sample of what other cruisers chose to wear on the tour. Enjoy the sights on the 30-minute ride to the glacier. Once there, you have about 2 hours to explore. We suggest heading straight to the lake. The shore is very rocky, so hiking shoes or sneakers are recommended. The temperature in early May was a cool 57 degrees Fahrenheit. The Mendenhall Glacier will be on the right. Further on the right will be Nugget Falls. You might see a few small icebergs floating in the lake. We recommend you then check out the photo point and/or Nugget Falls. The photo point is a short 1/3 mile round-trip trek and has a slightly elevated view of the glacier and waterfall. It started raining heavily while we were at the photo point, so we skipped the trail to the falls. We'll catch that on a future trip. Finally, head on up to the visitor center on the hill. In the visitor center are restrooms, a small gift shop, an observation area, informational displays, and an auditorium that shows a short film telling the story of the Juneau ice field. There are a few other attractions, but the 2-hour tour timeframe is too short to visit them all. If needed, visit the restroom in the visitor center or just past the bus stop before jumping back on the bus for the 30-minute ride back to the dock. Please check out this video too.